Imagine this, a sound only you can hear, following you everywhere you go. For millions of people with tinnitus, that's their reality. But did you know tinnitus is not just one sound? It can take on many forms. For some, it's a high-pitched ringing, like an old television, that's been left on. Others hear a buzzing or a hissing, similar to a steaming kettle. It can even sound like a roaring wind, chirping crickets, or a low rumble, like distant thunder. Tinnitus sounds are unique to each person, sometimes soft and manageable, other times loud and overwhelming. It is often linked to hearing loss or noise exposure, but stress, medication, or other health conditions can also play a role. If you are experiencing these sounds, you're not alone. Tinnitus is real, and there are ways to manage it. From sound therapy to advanced treatments, give us a call today so we can help you begin your journey towards a quieter, tinnitus-free life.